powerful courtroom testimony from the only eyewitness of a triple murder in Bradenton.
Pastor James Battle's wife, Joy Battle, says she watched Andres Avalos shoot and kill her husband. ABC 7's Jess Dowdrick has been following this trial all week, and she's joining us now live from the Manatee County Judicial Center with details on what happened in court today. Jess.
Good evening, Scott and Haley. It was an emotional day in the courtroom. Joy Battle was in tears as she took the stand to recount the day that her husband was shot and killed.
It was about 9 months before that fatal December day when Joy Battle says she and her husband James met Andres and Amber Avalos. Amber started regularly attending Bayshore Baptist Church.
After meeting them and getting to know her, thought she would be a good fit over our children's department.
Amber was hired. A few months later, Joy says she got a phone call from Andres Avalos. She testified that he was crying and brought up his suspicions that his wife Amber and her husband, Pastor James Battle, were having an affair.
I assured him that I had been around Tripp and Amber quite a bit, working with them at the church. I was there more than either one of them. And so anytime they were there, I was also there. And, you know, living with Tripp and being his wife, I was not picking up on I didn't have that same feeling.
Joy says she didn't hear from Andres again until December 4th, 2014, the day her husband was killed. Joy says she was alone at the church.
He knocked on my office door. I saw him. I thought maybe Amber was there to work, and I went to the door. He asked me if he could please come in, and I said yes.
Avalos started talking about the affair once again. Pastor Battle was visiting the sick and homebound, Joy says. Then he showed up to the church. Joy says Andres Avalos met him on the sidewalk, which she could see from her office window.
Pulled a gun from behind his back, and he shot him 3 times, and he fell to the floor, and he started crying out.
Joy says she called 911.
And then while on the phone with 911, he walks back over and shoots him again, and then just turns around and walks away.
The state has rested their case. The defense has started calling their witnesses to the stand, including Andres Avalos' parents, Andres Avalos Sr. and Nora Avalos. The jury could hear closing arguments as soon as tomorrow. Live in Manatee County, Jess Dowdrick, ABC 7, your Suncoast News.